Snapchat new update with best friend pose. Super viral new update with Snapchat. Finally, they released some kind of viral feature. So how to use it? I just tried it out, and basically, just you need to have Snapchat Plus. Your friend doesn't need to have Snapchat Plus, but you need to have it. And then you need to go to your best friend, and then on your best friend, you will see this like two avatars, two Bitmojis. So that's it. It only works with best friends. You can make best friend by holding and pin as your number one best friend. It doesn't work with other friends, just simple friends, only best friends, which you can only enable on Snapchat Plus. That's a viral new update. Yeah, Snapchat Plus recently releasing tons of new features. So I think if you're using Snapchat a lot, I'm not. I'm just trying it out. But like, if you're using it a lot, like definitely Snapchat Plus, I would give it a try, at least like a free trial, or you can try like yearly subscriptions. Subscriptions like $30. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I would definitely give it a try, and then you will have all these new features.